Alright, welcome everyone. Today we've got old Sci-Fi, the laser trooper, and I've got bonus content for him. I actually have his weapon and backpack. I think at some point this thing kept falling off, so I think at some point I put some super glue or something on there to try and hold it on. And it appears to have worked, so because it feels a little crusty there, but it stayed together, so it's cool. Was it that? Which way does it go? I can't remember. And this one doesn't even have the contours to. I think it's like that. That seems right. And I don't know if it goes down or up. It seems like that's easier to grab. But anyway, that's it. Not only do I have his backpack and weapon, I've also got his card. Here's let's see. Don't have my specs on though, so I can't read it. Especially if I had to turn the lights way down because he's such day glow. The camera was not accepting it. Let's see. Seymour P. Fine, Infantry, Secondary Specialty Electronics, Geraldine, Montana. Sci-Fi lives in a slow-motion world. He takes everything real easy, and he's never in a hurry to get anywhere or do anything. But that's what it takes to be a laser rifleman. At a range of 2.5 miles, the impact spot of laser light will jump 100 feet for every 1,000th of an inch movement at the source. That spot has got to be held on target for long enough to burn through that source, otherwise it's no more harmful than a warm breeze. When Sci-Fi braces a weapon and sights in on target, he becomes the rock. No discernible movement of any kind. Birds perch on top of his helmet. He transcends mere stillness to another plane of immobility. You won't even see the trigger finger move. It's like he wills that beam of light to stab the darkness. They got a little poetic with that one, it seems like. But anyway, that was Sci-Fi. I thought he was cool. I still like Flash better, but because he was one of the originals. But he's in really good shape too. I think all the silver and everything stayed intact. A little mild rust down there in that rivet, but that's to be expected. Lots of details on his clothing with all the stripes and stuff. Of course, the silver and green. I did think that was cool. Yeah, I have noticed the later generations they actually do the head tilts. I don't know that I ever noticed that as a kid. I've just seen it in these. So that was interesting to me. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to come. Where's this from? Bye.